Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 here. I'm back again with another video for you guys today. I have a Home Depot tool haul. So let me show you what I got. So the first item that I got is this wood chisel set. This is by Buck Bros. It is a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch chisel set. This one cost me $12.97. Now, I could have gone for a more expensive chisel set, but as you guys know, I'm trying to do wood working tools on a budget. So I thought this is a pretty good one, pretty good sizes, and this will go well with the project that I'm going to be working on. So the next item I got by Buck Bros again. This is a 7-inch adjustable block plane. This one cost $25.97. Now I did want the 6.5 inch one because that one I think was on sale for $13 maybe, but my Home Depot did not have that one, so I went with this one instead. They did have other ones, but those were like in the $40, $50 range, but this works. Got the packaging. It's been a while since I used one of these. Last time I used one, I think my junior year in high school, so 11 years ago. Wow. But anyway, here you guys go. Adjustable. I'll be trying these out, and I'll be letting you guys know how they all work. If they're good, I'll let you guys know. If they're bad, I'll let you guys know. But this is what I got. I'm gonna have to figure out how to adjust this one, but I'll do that later on. Anyway, just thought you guys would like to see what I got from Home Depot. Overall, it cost me $41.67. I did have a gift card that I got for Father's Day, so out of pocket only cost me $16.67. So that's pretty cool. I'll leave a link in the description about all the items that I got, and yeah, go from there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Also, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, everyone.